We're using the Fanttik NEX L1. Really nice compact screwdriver set that has a bunch of accessories. These are all the accessories, and it's USB-C charging. Charge USB-C here. We have a torque setting of 6 levels. Level 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 levels of torque. And this button just reverses the direction of the screw. So you want to screw in this direction, screws in. Reverse, this one screws out. That's it. Very helpful to use when you're installing shelves and just installing little things around the house, and it has a lot of torque and you can control the torque. So with this shelf, you see how these are very thin sheet metal. I'm gonna keep the torque level at level 1. So let's go ahead and go to level 1, and direction is inwards, and that's it. Once I have that setting, I can go ahead and just screw this in. And it's the right torque setting, so I don't damage the shelf. Very cool. And there's a very nice light right here, so you can see right as you use it, you can definitely see the light helps. And yeah, very cool screwdriver. This one has the extension that we're using right now. If I didn't need the extension, I can pull this up right here and take this out. I can just use this head right here. Once you put it in, it's very solid. It won't come out. In order to pull out, you need to push this up and it'll eject the screw head. So you can use it like this or with the extension. I like the extension, gives it a little extra reach right there. There we go. That is the Fanttik NEX L1. Really like it. It's a very compact, small screwdriver. Use this around the house a whole lot. Absolutely recommend this one.